Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about Tesla stock. It's already over 1,500. So, next price is going to be 4,500, and I believe so. I'm gonna tell you what is required to hit 4,500 and what are the risks. So, make sure you finish the video. So if this is your first time to Richard Insider, welcome to Richard Insider. Make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification button so that you do not miss any of the money making videos. Okay, that's last up. Let's look at it. It's already way up. The highest price it ever hit was 1,794. So for those of you who bought it at really low price as 361, congratulations. If you bought it below 400, make sure you comment put your comment in the below. So yeah, right now the market cap is 281 billions, and this is the open price. If you are just starting off the uh, stock investing, so I'm gonna explain what this means. So the high price means the highest price the stock ever reached in one day. The lower price is the lowest price, and previous close is the day before July 14. So 1,497, it jumped by 1.32%. So this after hours is after the market close. There's a trading for after hours. Usually the after hours trading is not so much as much as the normal trading hours. So Tesla is listed on Nasdaq. So what's going on with Tesla? It's this one. Tesla did not move so much before, so what's going on? Elon Musk is now richer than Warren Buffett because Tesla stock continues to break records. So what are the driving forces behind Tesla? Let's look at these and why are investors paying so much for Tesla stock. Okay, so on July 14, nearly 40,000 Robinhood accounts added shares of Tesla. 40,000 is that a lot, and it gained as much as 16% at one point. And Tesla is now the 10th most popular stock on Robinhood. As you know, everything is closed right now. No horse races, no football, no baseball. So no one is betting on sport. So everybody's is bored and they are at home. What do? They go to the stock markets. Open a Robinhood accounts, and these are beginners. Trying to gamble. There's no casino either. So this is the only thing they do. So, but let's think about it for a second. 40,000 accounts, just one stock is 1,500. Let's think about it. It's 16 million value of shares traded on one day. Yeah, I know there's a fractional share, a slight share, but let's make it really simple. So 40,000 each one buy at least just one stock. So it's 16 million worth of share traded on July 14th. So number one, there are more than three reasons why investors are paying so much for Tesla. So the number one reason, in my opinion, is because prospect of profitability. So in the second quarter, Tesla delivered more than 90,000 vehicles. Everybody was estimating they would just, average about 74,000. Maximum probably 83,000, somewhere around there. But they just blew the estimate. They came in above expectation. So this helped the stock price a lot. And also Elon Musk emails to every employees in the company, and that email got leaked. Hey, we are really close to getting break even. So that also pushed up the stock price as well. And Tesla is set to break even on a GAAP basis. GAAP is a general accounting principle. So usually used in U.S. company. So what's going to happen when a company like Tesla gets break even? Tesla has been losing for a long time. Usually the Tesla bear, they were pessimistic about the company because of profitability. So once they get break even, so it's gonna be Tesla gonna look materially different risk category in the eyes of the market. Triggering and re-rating and broadening of the stocks appear to entirely new communities of investors. There are some investors who have rules and disciplines that I'm not going to invest in any company who that doesn't make money, doesn't have a profit. So once Tesla become profitable, so these investors can invest in Tesla. Not only that, there will be fewer people who doubt Tesla profitability, because everybody was saying Tesla is losing money, it's never gonna make money, they're gonna go bankrupt. So that's why people shorted on Tesla. But and fortunately for Tesla, so things are looking up right now. So another thing is a valuation. When you look at the Tesla, some people think it's a car company, so they compare to General Motor, Ford, and the other car companies. But you cannot look at the Tesla as a car company. So this is a note to publish to clients by these analysts. Tesla does indeed make the company look less like a car company and more like tech behemoth. Many of its true believers have always argued the company will become. So people start looking at Tesla as a tech company. And hey, this is not a car company. Tesla can do much more than a car company. So which is what Tesla is now worth more than Toyota. Toyota, they make great car. Everybody loves Toyota. So that's why they are number one companies in terms of production. But Tesla is nowhere near Toyota in terms of production. But Tesla is worth more than Toyota. So why is that so? Because investors they look at Tesla as a tech company, not a car company. So they are willing to pay more for that because of software. The Tesla car is connected to the cloud. So this is a tech company. There will be like they have an autonomous taxi network. So just imagine, if Tesla can have totally self-driving car connected to the cloud. So this is like gonna be technology company. They can become that Uber. They can definitely take over the Uber and Lyft market by producing autonomous taxi for that. So no longer is Tesla being compared to legacy automakers that trade at 1/3 or 1/10 of Tesla market cap. Increasingly, we want to talk about Tesla valuation versus the world's most successful and highly valued tech firms. Names that can achieve sustainable above market growth software margins. This is the main thing. Tesla has software technology so that they can even get revenues from software margin and stickiness of platform and proven resiliency and post war or elevated macroeconomic activity. So this is the reason why Tesla valuation is so high, because investors are paying for Tesla as a tech company, not a car company. And number two, so once Tesla becomes profitable, what's gonna happen? And they gonna get admitted to S&P 500. They're gonna be considered. That's a minimum. They have to be profitable. So if you do not know what's criteria for being included in S&P 500, you go and watch in my previous video about Tesla. I talk about it. So Tesla, the analysts increased the price target from 939 to 2,322. That's a big jump, upside of 55% from many close. And because Tesla has a fast mover advantage and software production. Look at it again. Software production. People are looking at software right now. Software that Tesla has. Yeah. And fast mover advantage. So and once Tesla becomes profitable, and it become eligible for inclusion into S&P 500. If it's in S&P 500, look at the index funds. A lot of people are investing in index funds. So all those index funds, they have to buy Tesla because Tesla is in S&P 500. So that's gonna support the Tesla stock price. So definitely investors are buying, excited about it. So that's why they are buying the stock price, Tesla stock for that. And there are more reasons for that most people may not know. And in my opinion, it's because of short squeeze. Because Tesla stock price has been parabolic. It's been so crazy that they have to cover the position. No choice. They could go bankrupt. They could lose billions of dollars if they do not cover their position. So they cover the position. So what does short mean? Short selling stock means that you are selling a stock at a higher price with the expectation of buying at a lower price. So they sell the stock that they do not have, then they want to cover it later. But unfortunately, that stock price has been going up and going up, so they could not buy at a lower price. So they need to buy at a higher price. So they need to cover it. They mass cover it. So they cover and they buy. They pay the market price as high as possible. So they cover it. So that helps the stock shoot up the price. And Tesla has a potential to become a market leader in China, like Apple, So just think about it. Apple is became a really $1 trillion company because everywhere in the world loves Apple, iPhone in China. And so yes, if just imagine Tesla becomes a market leader around the world, especially in China and US. uh, this gonna change the game. And there is a solar energy trend, with election coming up and the Democrats probably taking over the the White House. And that basically this is a trend. Climate change, environment. People start to worry about climate change, environment, and they want to go into electric vehicle and solar energy. And Tesla has solar panels. So I heard that some of the houses in California, new construction, they need to install solar panel for that. So if this becomes a requirement, just imagine, a Congress, a White House, in one day come up with a program. Every home in America has to install solar panel. That's gonna drive the demand so much. It's the trend is coming. It's just sooner or later. Another day is a battery day on September 2nd. So that's another reason investors are excited about. And just imagine if Tesla has been investing in research about battery for some time. And so that, but if you have a battery test on Tesla, that could last a long time, 500,000, 1 million miles, and you don't need to charge often. Then even if you have to charge a battery, if it takes less time than the time you spend at the pump on just normal normal oil cars. So who's gonna buy just normal cars? They're gonna buy electric vehicles. They're not gonna buy gas car anymore. And so it's gonna help Tesla a lot. And the battery price has been going down for Tesla as well. They have been able to make better batteries at a cheaper price. Okay, so what a billionaire investor said. This billionaire Ryan Barron invested a lot of money in Tesla. He said that Tesla could be worth 1.5 trillion by the end of the decade. So what else did he say? So what about the competition? So he said competition spend research money on models and not on batteries. They spend money on models, and plus, the dealers make money not from selling but from servicing. Electric cars have fresh on the past. The guys selling your cars are not incented to sell electric cars. And another thing that I like is that, but Tesla, there is a communication between the car and the cloud for Tesla. Tesla is correcting and changing your car every time you get it. So this is another example of Tesla being a high-tech company and investing in the right future. The future is going to be environmentally friendly. Tesla mission is to accelerate conversion into sustainable energy. So this is really big. This is getting big. So yes, if the other car companies are maybe trying to play catch up, and so they need to divert the money from research in models to batteries. And Tesla is way ahead of these company. Tesla is way ahead of this company. So basically this is it. So great news. So and Tesla gonna be the market leader, and this is it will be really hard to play catch up with them. Of course, in any industry there are so many competition, just like Facebook. Facebook is in social media, but Facebook is number one, so it's very hard to play catch up with Facebook. Tesla could basically buy out companies that could become competitors, because they are getting really big, and they could have the money to buy all these competitors before they become big and invest in the right place. That's what the Amazon has been doing. They bought Whole Foods, they bought a whole lot of companies, and Amazon even bought Zeus, which is a electric car companies, self-driving company. I think Amazon and Tesla could become competitors. Amazon is really worried about Tesla because Amazon want to invest in logistics and transportation, and Tesla is also in transportation, so they don't want to depend on Tesla for that. So Amazon is also worried about Tesla as well. And could Tesla become 1 trillion tech company by 2020? So in my opinion, I think so. I believe so, because let me tell you why. And but Tesla has to hit all these things in order for the company to become a 1 trillion tech company. Now it's 300 billion. So 1 trillion means more than three times. The share price is 1500, 1500. So three times 1500 is 4500. So Tesla has to start making profits consistently. Every quarter, profits consistently, and they're gonna be included in S&P 500, and they need to become a market leader around the world, especially in China, just like Apple. Tesla sold 367,500 cars in 2019, a new record for company. So just imagine if they are able to 10 times the number of cars that they sold, and not only 10 times in the world car productions deliveries is around 90 million a year. So if they just take 10 million of production deliveries, so that will be 100 times. So three times to get 1 million, so 10 millions will be 30 times for that. That's gonna be big change. So if I'm just hoping for 1 million in the next 2 years, and if they could deliver 10 million car, I mean, Tesla could hit 1 trillion easily. And not only that, so they can sell accessory on the cars. There are so many things that you add-ons that you can sell. And if somebody wants to upgrade the cars to be able to drive from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, if the Tesla provide an option like that, people are gonna pay easily for that. And solar energy Trump, and this is another thing that happened at Tesla. Tesla is also big in solar panels and energy, and if every home in America needs to have solar panel, this is gonna be game changing for Tesla. And battery, if the battery it becomes so cheap, and it lasts forever, and also that battery, it takes less time than you spend at the pump. So it's gonna change the world. And software, another thing is software, and all these things. And another thing I'm bullish on the Tesla is because of inflation. Let's look at it. Right now we have so much cash in the market right now. The Fed is pumping up gas right now. So much money. So all this money, rich people are start thinking, if US print a lot of money, where do we put our money in the market? Oh, look at stock market, look at real estate. So the easier ways they can put them, make the best use of their money is in stock market. So there are not so many great companies around. So Tesla is gonna be one of them, and that's why stock market has been going up a lot, and inflation is gonna creep up in a few years. So inflation is gonna drive the stock market up, and Tesla stock price as well. And so all these situations, if the Tesla can pull this off, that's gonna be $1 trillion easily, in my opinion. Yeah, of course, this is not an investment advice to buy or sell this company. This is my own opinions for education and entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own research to before you making decision. So what to do now? Only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. So tomorrow, after you buy Tesla and you cannot trade it anymore for 10 years, will you be okay with that? Then buy. So, and the stock market is a device for transferring money from impatient to the patient. So, of course, because Tesla market stock is very, very volatile, it can go up and go down easily 50% um, any time. So if you are the Tesla shareholder, you have to be patient and you have to be able to tolerate 50% drop in the price. And to me, it's a good opportunity to buy more stock at a 50% discount. Okay, so what do you think about Tesla? Are you buying Tesla? And have you bought Tesla before? Then how much did you buy Tesla at? Comment below. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, and I have gift for you for watching my videos. There are free audio gifts in the description and also three free stocks like Facebook, Apple, Snap by depositing just $100. And if you have just $1, you can buy Tesla Amazon. I have another link as well. You can open it. So 3 links. Just open 3 accounts. You get 3 free stocks. And if you want to become a realtor agent, realtor license cost is below as well. The best credit cards. If you're paying more than $15 a month for a cell phone plan, that's too much. And if you want free travel credits, all these are below in the description or above in the comment or description. I put it down as well. So if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on Facebook, or you can leave voicemail on Instagram. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.